we're going to discuss about watch bracelets because this is very important. When you buy your watch, you wait so long. When you get it, you cannot wear it without resizing the bracelet to fit your wrist. So commonly there is three kind of bracelets. One is the voiced type, which comes with an pin and collar system. You can even say it's an push pin system. I'll show you how to resize all of this. The other one, this comes with an screw pin. You need to have a screwdriver to resize this. I hope you can see that. Yes, this comes with screw pins. You need to remove the screw to adjust this to fit your wrist. I'll show you how to do it. First of all, this is the most common type, which comes with an push pin. You need to have a small tool like this. You don't have to go too expensive. This is very cheap. I'll leave a link to these tools if you want to get it, because otherwise when you get the watch you need to take it to a watch guy to resize this. This particular bracelet comes with a push pin. These arrows show from which end you need to push the pins out. Okay, let's do this. You put it like this. And all you got to do is push the pins. There we go. The pins are pushed out. Now you can take it out of this gadget. And you pull the pin out. And you can take the links out. It's depend on your wrist size how many pins you need to take out. Take necessary pins out and adjust it to your size. Alright. Now after you take out your required links out, all you have to do is put it back. Put it back from this end. This need to be on the outside. This need to go in. Actually from the opposite side where you pushed it out. Take something like this and push it in. Alright, now it's flushed. Alright, it's fixed. You can do this at home. Simple as that. You just need to have that tool. I'll leave a link to that. Screw type. Take this one out. You need to have something like this, a flat-headed screwdriver. You can get this cheaply. So all you have to do is screw the pins out. I hope you can see that. I'm trying my level best to focus this. Take something like this and pull it out. Alright, I'll show you how it looks like. The screw pins, screw heads. Right, that's how it looks. Also, this bracelet is called Jubilee. Comes with 5 links. This is different to the first type of link because this goes from the same end where you took it out. Goes in. Like that. You can see that, right? Yes. Need to screw this back. done. As simple as that. I hope this has really helped you. Next time when you get your watch, you don't have to take it to your watch guy or watch repair person, and you can do it at your own. This is new type of bracelet. This is also oyster with female endings. This doesn't have any screws, any pins, anything at all. This is called the on the fly adjustment. This is not so common. I hope this comes very common in the future because it's very easy. All you have to do is just take it out like that. And remove how many links you want. Take this out. You want to take one out, put it back. This kind of having spring kind of a mechanism, which is very sturdy and very durable as well. It's a really nice system. I think this should be standard nice system. Very convenient, very easy, on the fly. If you like the video, please do subscribe and press that bell icon, as well as give a thumbs up.